If you've forgotten your MSN email password, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest way to recover it using Microsoft's official password reset process. This is the safest method because it uses Microsoft's own support and account recovery pages, so you're not relying on any third-party tools. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Microsoft.com. Once the Microsoft homepage loads, look for the support option and click it. This will take you into Microsoft's Help Center, where you can search for account recovery options. Now, in the search box, type password reset and press enter. You'll see Microsoft support results related to recovering access to your account. From the list of results, click on Reset a Forgotten Microsoft Account Password. This is the official recovery page you need for MSN and Outlook accounts, since MSN email is managed through Microsoft accounts. On the support page, scroll down until you find the Reset Password option and click it. This will open the Microsoft account recovery form. Now enter your MSN email address in the field provided. Make sure you type it correctly, because even one small mistake can send you to the wrong account recovery path. After entering your email, click Next. At this point, Microsoft will show you one or more recovery options. Depending on your account setup, you may be asked to verify your identity through a phone number, alternate email address, or another security method. Choose the recovery option that you still have access to and follow the on-screen instructions carefully. If you get a verification code, enter it exactly as shown. Once your identity is confirmed, Microsoft will let you create a new password. When setting your new password, choose something strong and secure that you haven't used before. It's a good idea to combine uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols so your account stays protected. After saving the new password, go back to your MSN email sign-in page and test the new login details. If everything worked correctly, you should now be able to access your mailbox again. If you run into trouble and no longer have access to your recovery email or phone number, you may need to complete Microsoft's account recovery form with as much information as possible. The more accurate the details you provide, the better your chances of getting back into the account. So that's how you recover an MSN email password using Microsoft's official reset process. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.